7 for the month of August to order.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I stand before you today not to make the motion to dispense with items number 1 and number 2. But tell everybody that we proceed with the singing of the national anthem and the information because Sibor Picoy is the one who will lead the prayer.
Okay, so order. Councilor Robert Renoy, would you do the honor to...
As usual, I second the motion.
So please rise for the invocation led by Councilor Renoy. Happy birthday.
Father,
Praise you, glorify you, we adore you. Lord Jesus, to you to restore love, strength, and service. We earnestly pray, O Lord, that we are supposed in this spiritual thing, and we focus ourselves on the Mother as servants of our people. Guide us, O Lord, in the performance of our responsibilities as mandated by the people. Enhance our sense of integrity, honesty, dedication, and selflessness. Harness our qualities and abundance, as each one of us believe to be endowed with different qualities. All these we ask for the attainment of our city's development goal and to fully sustain our services in the next year. God's glorious name. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Secretary, Mr. Dr.
The presiding officer, Vice Mayor Antonio Miguel Perez.
Present.
The presiding officer, present for the Council of Philosophy, Present. The majority floor leader, Councilor Rodrigo Virado.
Present.
The minority floor leader, Councilor Oscar Ikuling.
Present.
Councilor Carlos Sison. Councilor Michelle Escondera. Present. Councilor Steve Ocontelera.
Present.
Councilor Berna Esquerado. Present. Councilor Colbert Eranoy.
Present.
Councilor Dalia M. De Leon. Present. Councilor Alfred Felix Castro. Each official members, bigyan ng mga barangay president sa Uruguay Bakay.
Present.
At panunsunod ng Federasyon ng Sandilang Kabataan President Robert D. Bernal.
Present.
13 members of this office body is particular.
30 members respond to the call and now certify the presence of quorum. We may now transact the business. Approval of the agenda. Any unassigned business from the body? Madam Secretary, any unassigned business submitted to the Sandilang Pangungsod?
We have 4 unassigned businesses, sir. The first item on the proposed resolution number 2021-116, authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Presidente to enter into a memorandum of agreement by and among the city government of Alameda, Pangasinan, the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 1, and the Agriculture and Fishery Council for the provision of 2 units of multipurpose cultivator to the city government under the Bamboo Industry Development Program, which is a component of the agricultural stimulus package under Republic Act 11494, otherwise known as the Biennial 2. And the next item is proposed resolution number 2021-117, approving the legal partial release of specific projects funded out of the special purpose appropriation, amounting to 1,502,150 pesos and 40 centavos of the city of Alaminos for calendar year 2021. And number 3 is the proposed ordinance creating 4 positions of the Sangguniang Financial Secretariat of the Legislative Department of the Local Government Unit of Alaminos City. And proposed ordinance another proposed ordinance institutionalizing library services in the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan, converting the city library as section under the Legislative Department to a separate department under the Local Government Unit of the city of Alaminos, and creating the positions of 1 city government department head 1 and 1 administrative aid 3 for the purpose.
Any motion?
Mr. Chair, I also have one.
Yes, Councilor Silvio, Majority Leader.
As a result of our dialogue this morning regarding the boundary dispute of barangay, I move that we adopt a resolution requesting the regional office of DENA to provide us with the records of the political boundaries of barangay. Mayroon na po sila. Opo.
Okay. Any other unsigned business? Councilor De Castro, any motion?
Mr. Chair, I move that the agenda of today's session, as well as the assigned business, be approved by the body.
It's been moved by Councilor De Castro, seconded by Councilor Oscar Boni and Councilor Silvera for the approval of the said agenda with 5 unassigned businesses. Any amendments? Hearing none, the said agenda is approved. Next item.
Adoption of the journal and minutes of Sangguniang Financial regular session held on August 10, 2021.
Any motion? Councilor Silvera.
Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption of the journal and minutes of the SP regular session held on August 10, 2021.
Moved by Councilor Silvera, seconded by Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Season for the adoption of the said journal and minutes. Any objection? Hearing none, the said journal and minutes are adopted. Privilege hour. Any privilege speeches from the floor? Councilor Raul Bakay, bigyan ng mga barangay president.
Mr. Chair, regarding po sa mga complete ng mga tuda po natin, we would like to invite sana po dialogue mga LTO regarding dun sa emission case na isa lang pwede ang pwedeng mag-apply ng emission case na tinatanggap nila.
Siya lang ang pwedeng pagpuntahan.
Oo.
Para one-stop shop na yun, di ba? One-stop shop na po yung fourth generation ba? Fourth generation for
Pero ang complaint nila, kasi emission test, dapat emission test lang lahat na, pinupot pati yung mga gulong, lahat.
But, okay. Kailan ko natin gusto ano to?
August 25, 10 June.
August 25, 10:30. So, Madam Secretary, please coordinate a dialogue with our LTO and kasama po yung mga to, the President, Federation
official. Ano tayo lang sa kayong pagtuta?
So both. So for the dialogue regarding the emission testing and requirements of tricycles on August 25, 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning, please invite the Federation officers, lahat talaga, o presidents lang? Federation pala. Federation officers of FACTI TODA and Federation officers of 100 Islands TODA. So ordered. To the Secretariat, please provide Councilor, hindi ka naman Barangay President Bakay. I think may, may DOTR memo na lahat dadaan na dun sa one-stop shop. Parang may ganun. Para at least meron tayong basis. From, kaya na-require yan, alam ko kaya na-require yan, para isa na lahat. Kaso nga lang, may PRO ata, parang pinastop. Kasi di ba may issue na bakit laging dyan na lang, something like that. Paki-prepare na yung research para well-informed yung ating Committee on Transportation. Any other privileged speeches? Councilor Joselito Fontelera?
Sir, dagdag na rin natin yun sa one-stop shop para ma-explain niyan mabuti yung pag-usapan na gusto ni Councilor Raul.
Isama.
Hindi sa LTO, sa machine.
Gusto niyo bang isama na natin? Kap o hiwalay lang? Yung, hindi kasi private yun eh.
Private yun.
Private ata yun.
Pwedeng bansa usama para ma-explain niyan mabuti.
O, depende po sa, pwede, pero baka,
Oo, baka makapagawa sa
hiwalay na lang natin.
sige,
Sige.
correct na lang.
Separate na lang para at least malaman lang muna kung ano ba yung instruction ng LTO para sa mga ganun. Okay? Any other? Councilor Ranoy, any privilege speech? Or that your spokesperson, Honorable Alfred will greet you for your
Yes, I also have one concern. This is with respect to the memorandum of agreement entered into by and between the Council of Barangay Kamakisan and one Mr. Fernando Francisco over a 500 square meter portion at Sitio Tubag, Barangay Kamakisan, which is being utilized as a secondary fish port. Because this memorandum of agreement is about this file, and the matter was referred to my office, and for this purpose, so as to make this matter for the record, may I ask the Secretariat to schedule this matter for dialogue with the Barangay Council of Barangay Kamakisan, preferably on August 20, on Friday at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Mr. Madam Secretary, dahil
What time? 11.
11
Or soon thereafter, 11 o'clock. Okay, at 11 o'clock. And furthermore, it is also the ardent desire and the wish of Councilor Tobel na mabuhay pa siya hanggang gusto niya. Birthday niya naman. Because sa ngayon sa Facebook, maraming kung nakikita picture ng mga babae ngayon. And luckily, Councilor Robel Ranoy is a gentleman. Kasi may mga lumalabas ngayon sa Facebook yung mga babae. Kaya kayo mga babae, isipin niya to. Sa dami ng lalaki, huwag ka nagsasama kay Lord. Kasi yung may ibang babae ko, ang pinili ng lalaki si Lord. Kaya condolence na lang sa kanila. At least si Councilor Robel Ranoy, on this day on forward, bahala siya kung gusto niya pang mabuhay.
happy birthday, Councilor Robel.
Mabuhay ka, ba't gusto mo pa rin?
So, a dialogue is set on August 20, 11 a.m. regarding the Pangapisan Memorandum of Agreement between that and that private person. So, order. Next item, Madam Secretary. Proceed to propose the solution.
Proceed to the reference of business. Under proposed resolution, we have proposed resolution number 2021-114, authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Presidente to enter the technical assistance agreement by and among the city government of the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan, the cities of Dalupan, San Fernando City, La Union, and Cities Development Initiative for Asia in support for the preparation of the preparation study for the Tri-City Ferry System Project. And next item is proposed resolution number 2021-115. Resolution realigning funds under the Peace and Order and Public Safety Plan for calendar year 2021 for the procurement of 1 unit patrol car and 2 units of motorcycle for PSP Alaminos City Police Station and 2 units of motorcycle for the Public Order and Safety Office for patrol operations amounting to 3,620,000 pesos.
Any motion to suspend the rules? Do we have guests, Madam Secretary?
We have guests here for item number 1. We have in our City Planning Development Coordinator, Engineer Garcia, and our City Engineer Ruel Pangban. For item number 2, we have our City Budget Officer, Madam Lumina Cruz.
So, Councilor Silvio moves for the suspension of the rules, second by Councilor Apple Bahay. Ma'am, let's tackle item number 1 first. Good morning, Engineer Garcia. Good afternoon, I'm sorry.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. The City Government of Alaminos, Dalupan, both the province of Pangasinan, and San Fernando La Union, the province of La Union, have initiated the revival of the water-based transport system connecting the 3 cities for further development. By establishing a TWG, Technical Working Group, chaired and supported by the National Economic Development Authority for the preparation of development initiatives. The project, the Tri-City Ferry System Project, is in line with the 0+10-point agenda of the Philippine National Government and was identified in the Ilocos Regional Development Plan 2017 to 2022 to be funded under the PPP modality. As part of the process, the NEDA and the PPP Center of the Philippines, together with the 3 city mayors and representatives of the Dalupan, Alaminos, and San Fernando, has requested the Cities Development Initiative of Asia for funding support for the preparation of PCDB study for the project. Cities Development Initiatives of Asia is a multi-donor trust fund managed by the Asian Development Bank. So the 3 cities, through the intervention of NEDA and PPP Center, have applied for technical assistance support to CDIA in the amount of $550,000 and with agreement that the 3 cities will have a counterpart of 10% of the amount, which is in the form of in kind form. So the application was endorsed last February 2021 and was approved July 13, 2021, and that city is undergoing procurement for the consulting firm for the conduct of project preparation study, and that in that regard, the city government, through the city mayor, with your approval is requesting for authorization from this August Valley for the city of San in behalf of the city.
Any questions from the body? Any questions? Councilor Sergio Doc?
Is there memorandum of agreement? Halimbawa, yung obligation of each city, obligations of each city, ang design. Kung ano yung obligation na namin, as ganun din yung sa Fernando, ganun din ang
Yes, sir. Iisa po.
sila. Yun
Opo.
po yan.
Yung CBI po ang magmamahal doon, sila ang mag-implement ng process. Yung sinasabing contract fund is in terms of license, stock lang, kaya space. Kung nandito sila sa atin. Pero kung wala, wala rin. So may kasamang stock ng engineering or plan. Nilagyan na lang ang value kasi yung regulation ng EDP na may 10% equity. Kaya may value na 55,000 doon sa
Yung 10% na yun, 10% each o yung total ng share ng tatlong cities? 10% of the fund.
Sir, divide to yun, sir.
Yung 10%?
Yes, sir. 10% of the total amount which is 55,000 dollars. Pero hindi po sakto nun kasi nga, nilagyan na rin yung value. Wala actually, may organic stock naman tayo kasama. May naka-offices naman tayo kung kasi later on, pag offices na rin. At kung doon na po, yung procurement ng CBI. Ang as per NEDA, the proposed filing of agreement will be on the September. So,
Any other questions? Engineering, sorry, let me clarify. So this is a proposal of amount that it will be spent para magawa yung project. Tama po?
para requirement lang yan, sir, to satisfy yung rules and regulations ng EDB, CDA,
Okay.
na mayroon tayo between na 10% of the amount. Okay. The support is amounting to $550,000. So that 10% is 55,000. Divide 3.
Divided by 3.
But in kind, sir, wala tayo ng financial house.
Okay. So, any other questions? So, just one question. What's the next step after this technical assistance agreement? Meron ba tayong mga plan pang dadaan o wala pa?
Sir, once the technical work support assistance signed, the CDA will proceed now for the conduct of
Study.
They will proceed for the procurement of consulting firm to make the project preparation study
Okay.
for the project.
Alright. Siguro yung technical working group will be just through executive order o na ba? Resolution pa? Yung technical working group ng alam niyo.
Yung technical working group na nalagay ng
EO na lang. Okay.
But with this development, maybe
Joint.
depende kay Mayor ako.
Depende.
Tutulungan niya yun or another mas exploit na tao.
Alright. Yeah. Pwede naman through EO naman yun. Siguro we'll just include in the resolution na we usually put kasi mga 1 or 2 SP members doon sa technical working group para alam din ng council yung nangyayari.
Wala akong problema.
Yeah. So, no more questions? Thank you very much, Engineer Garcia. So, we proceed to our next item. Any other item for Engineer Garcia? Wala na po. Thank you, sir. Okay, so we proceed to our next item. We would like to... Sino itong sa POPs plan? Kayo na po? Kayo ang engineer na ba? Sorry po. Okay. So, unahin natin si Ma'am Wen. May questions ba tayo regarding... Engineer, ako may sabihin po kayo. Doon po sa ating partial list kanina, hindi pa ako sa tapos eh. Sa item number 1, may dadagdag ba kayo? Doon sa diniscuss ni Engineer Garcia. May dagdag po kayo? Wala na. Okay. Thank you very much. So we'd like to invite Madam Rowena Ruiz, our City Budget Officer, to discuss po item number 2, yung po sa POPs plan. I think this is self-explanatory.
Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Ito po yung realignment ng ating City Peace and Order Public Safety Plan. We will realign some items for the procurement of 1 unit patrol car and 2 units of motorcycle for the PNP and 2 units for the POSO. In the amount of 3,620,000.
Sige, mag-comment ito, no?
Opo, yung sa Peace and Order Fund po yan.
Any questions of the body? Do we need also a resolution amending the plan? Hindi na. Hindi na ba yan?
Ito nga po yung sir, kailangan na akong ma-amend yung plan, kaya humingi ko lang.
So isa lang, isang resolution lang. Amending the plan and realigning the budget, isa lang. As one resolution na lang. Okay. Kasi usually minsan iba, di ba? Any questions? So, since our city budget officer is here, please discuss po. Ma'am, may discuss ko rin ba kayo? Baka may gusto ko kayo sabihin since wala silang question. Wala naman.
Wala pa sir.
Okay.
Wala pa rin akong na-officean.
Okay.
For policy preparation for 2022.
Oo.
Kasi marami pang requirements because of the devolved function.
Yeah. So, ditong peace and order budget, technically, save naman yung pondo, i-realign lang from another item to buy these motorcycles and the patrol car. Wala naman pagdag. Saan po kinuha? Sa mga training?
Sir, may kinuha po din sa capability building, purchase of CCTV, warning devices,
Okay.
sa security services, sa conduct of IPC, saka yung conduct of seaborne patrol in the shoreline of Alaminos. Hindi na daw po kasi nila i-implement ito.
Okay.
Mga programa po kasi ito ng PNP.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Kung wala na, thank you very much, Madam Rowena Ruiz. So we are in the process of fixing our budget that they will submit on October. So kung meron po tayong proposed programs, it's best na i-propose na natin ngayon para at least sabay-sabay po yung pag-consolidate. Okay po? Thank you, Ma'am Wen. Next item, Madam Secretary.
Next item.
Under suspension of the rules, please proceed to unassigned businesses.
Under unassigned businesses, we have proposed resolution number 2021-117, approving the additional purchasing of specific projects funded out of the special purpose appropriations amounting to 1,502,150 pesos and 14 centavos for calendar year 2021.
Do we have any questions to Engineer Camba? Looking at the list, it is all items from for the different barangays. Wala pong tanong? Wala po. Thank you very much, sir. Pasensya na pupunta ulit kayo dito, pero approve na to. Na-miss namin yung boses ko, pero baka next week ka na ulit.
Happy birthday pala guys.
Ayo! Yung daan daw niya, doon na lang sa dulo. Lipat ko lang sa Pandayan daw, o kaya sa Mangas. Sige, baka next week. So next item, Madam Secretary.
We have no guest for item number 1 under unassigned business.
Item number 1, shall we consider this under committee hearing or
Ano yung item number 1 na?
under unassigned? Bamboo?
Two cultivators.
O sa next session na lang? Baka maiksi na naman ito. Committee on Agriculture, Councilor Ranoy. Gusto po natin. Meron po tayong resolution dito for MOA, pero wala po tayong guest. Gusto po ba natin i-schedule sa next session na lang? Or i-hearing pa natin?
If I were to
Majority of the leaders?
this, Mr. Chair, we would rather elevate that to the business of the day.
Councilor Anoy? Meron po. As per our secretary, may magdodonate po ng dalawang multipurpose cultivator sa LGU para sa bamboo. Galing sa pondo ng Bayan ng 2. So siguro i-accept lang. Opo. I think this is a birthday gift for you as well. Are you amenable to the suggestion to just include in a survey? Okay lang. It has been moved by Councilor Anoy, seconded by Councilor Radok, and Councilor Apolonio Bakit, Councilor Season to include the said resolution in a business of the day for deliberation. Next item, ma'am.
An ordinance creating propositions under the Sangguniang Patungkol sa Secretariat and the Executive Department, and an ordinance institutionalizing library services to the City of Valenzuela, converting the city library as section under the Executive Department or City Forest Department under the local government unit of the City of Alaminos, and creating the positions of non-city government department head 1 and non-administrative aid 2 for 3 for the
Sige. Councilor Dali De Leon, shall we include it sa hearing on Friday para sabay-sabay na?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Nakaschedule na po yan sa August 20.
These are different ordinances.
Di ba po ulit?
Opo, pero kaya ang suggestion ko isabay na lang sa Friday para pare-pare na. So Councilor Dali De Leon moves to calendar said two proposes ordinances in the same date on Friday for committee hearing. So ordered. Any objection? None. So what is the pleasure?
Resolution requesting the Department of Environment and Natural Resources Regional Office to provide the August body with copy of maps defining the boundaries of the rights.
May term na ginamit sila kanina sa yun na lang gamitin natin. Hindi ko siya Yes, Mr. Chair, I hope that the proposition will be elevated to the business of the day.
It is moved by Councilor Silvio, seconded by Councilor Secretary, Councilor Rabago to include the said resolution in a business of the day for deliberation. So, we will now leave the suspension of the rules. My apologies. So, with regard to item number 1, under unassigned business, it was included in the business of the day as per Councilor Anoy. Item number 2, under unassigned business, what is the pleasure? Budget, supplemental. Additional partial list.
I move, Mr. Chair, that i-approve na ba natin?
Hindi, business of the day.
We elevate to the business of the day.
It's been moved by Councilor Silvio Rodok, seconded by Councilor Anoy, and Councilor Daligaran, Councilor Castro, Councilor Abel-Bakay, to include the said resolution in the business of the day for deliberation. Any objection? Hearing none, the said item is included in the business of the day. Regarding item number 3 and 4, scheduled for committee hearing by Councilor De Leon on Friday, and then item number 5 under unassigned business, also included in the business of the day as per Councilor Radok. So, Madam Secretary, under proposed resolutions, what is the pleasure of the body with regard to item number 1, regarding the technical assistance agreement? Any motion?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move that the division be approved.
Okay. Business of the day. It's been moved by Councilor. Shall we also include the said item number 2 in the business of the day?
It has been moved by Councilor Serino Ladok, seconded by Councilor De Castro to include item number 1 in the business of the day for deliberation. Any objection? Hearing none, the said item is included in the business of the day. Regard to item number 2, Councilor Dapago. It's been moved by Councilor Dapago, seconded by Councilor Appleback, Councilor Secretary to include the said item in the business of the day for deliberation. Any objection? Hearing none, the said item is included in the business of the day. Next item.
I proceed to the business of the day. Under unfinished business, we have the resolution commenting the exemplary achievement of the Alameda City Police headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Leonard C. Paredes, in maintaining peace and order and in continuing with the programs to minimize crime incidents in the city.
Any motion? Councilor Season, proponent. It has been moved. It has been moved by Councilor Season, the proponent of the said resolution, seconded by Councilor Rabago, chairperson on peace and order, seconded by Councilor Segundera, Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Ladok, Councilor De Castro, Councilor Rene, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection, amendment, discussion? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Now proceed to the new businesses. The first item is the resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Celeste to enter into a technical assistance agreement by among the city government of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan, the cities of Dagupan, San Fernando, and Cities Development Initiative for Asia in support for the preparation of the project preparation study for the Tri-City Ferry System project.
Motion.
Mr. Chair, I move that the mission be adopted.
Moved by Councilor Serino Ladok, seconded by Councilor Appleback, Councilor Season, Councilor Secretary, Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Problema, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Maybe can we put in the result further that a Sangguniang Panglungsod member, at least 2 Sangguniang Panglungsod members will be part of the technical committee. Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Next item is the resolution approving the amendment of the 2021 Peace and Order and Public Safety Plan and the realignment of funds for the procurement of 1 unit patrol car and 2 units of motorcycle for PNP Alaminos City Police Station and 2 units of motorcycle for the Public Order and Safety Office for patrol operations amounting to 3,620,000.
Councilor Rabago, any motion?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the said resolution.
It's been moved by Councilor Rabago, seconded by Councilor Segundera, Councilor De Leon, Councilor Ladok, Councilor Season for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Also seconded by Councilor De Castro. No objection. Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Celeste to enter into a memorandum of agreement by and among the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan, the City Government of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan, the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 1, and the Agriculture and Fishery Council for the provision of 2 units of multi-purpose cultivator to the City Government under the Bamboo Industry Development Program, which is a component of the Agricultural Stimulus Package under Republic Act 11494, otherwise known as the Balihan 2.
Any motion?
I move that the matter be approved by the August Body, Mr. Chair.
Happy birthday.
It has been moved by Councilor Season. Duly seconded by Councilor Ladok, Councilor De Leon, Councilor Appleback, Councilor Castro, Councilor Season, Councilor Segundera for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution approving the additional partial list of specific projects funded out of the special purpose appropriations amounting of 1,502 pesos and 150 pesos and 40 centavos to the city of Alabama for calendar year 2021.
Any motion?
The most of division, Mr. Chair, be adopted.
It's been moved by Councilor Silvio, seconded by Councilor Season, Councilor Labago, Councilor Bernabe, Councilor Apalbacay, Councilor Leon, Councilor Noy, for the adoption of said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
It's only the wording title, sir. Resolution requesting the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, to provide the Sangguniang Luzon with a copy of the map defining the boundaries of each barangay in the city of Alamino.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move that the resolution be adopted.
It's been moved by Councilor Silvio, seconded by Councilor Secundera, Councilor Labago, for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. This is the title. This is the title na gusto ni Councilor.
May umagat kanina si Mr. Magirit eh.
Next item.
Under third and final reading, we have third and final reading of the codification ordinance.
Councilor Silvio, okay na daw to? After years of deliberation and
Ridiculous review. Yes,
After
Mr. Chair, I move that the ordinance be elected.
after meticulous review and hundreds of committee hearings and meetings, Councilor Silvio moves for the enactment of the codification ordinance 2021, the codification ordinance of the city of Alaminos. Any second? Wala second. Seconded by Councilor Apalbacay, Councilor Season, Councilor Leon, Councilor De Castro, for the enactment, Councilor Secundera, for the enactment of the said codification ordinance. Any objection? Amendment, discussion. Hearing none, the said ordinance is hereby enacted. As of June 30, ordinances as of June 30, 2021. Next item.
Announcements, reminders. Happy birthday greetings to Councilor Robert.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Councilor! Happy birthday, Councilor Ranoy.
Yung masaya naman na kanto.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. For a personal greeting, we would like to request Councilor Joselito Fontelera to give a message for Councilor Ranoy. Ay, sakay! Any message, Councilor Robert? Anyone who would like to...
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kagawad. Happy birthday. Ma'am Luz, any message to Councilor Robert? Is Mariah here? Message siya.
Sir, in behalf of the Sangguniang Panlungsod family, Sangguniang Legislative Department family, we would like to express our best wishes on your birthday, and we wish you more blessings to come, more
Projects.
projects, and We wish you all good health and peace always.
Happy birthday! Another message from Moraya, the daughter of our councilor. Message.
May we request Councilor Crowell to stand beside
Birthday greeting for Councilor.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Simple lang.
Yung kahit na malungkot, okay lang.
Good health lang po. And sana bawasan yung yun lang.
Okay.
Magsasabo. Yun lang po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Papa.
Okay.
Love you.
Meron pa pong gusto mag-message? Councilor Pantelera, going once? Wala na po? May short na po.
Len, happy birthday. Hindi ko lang yung edad niya, sir, na nag-limit ko na kaya question mark yung edad eh. 51. Sana, mababae, sabi ni Councilor Alfred, na hahaba pa ang buhay mo. Sana, good health every day. Always. Happy birthday, pre.
Happy birthday. Sino ba? Sino pang gusto mag-message?
Hello pare.
Ayan, Councilor Galia. Sure.
Be good boy always ha. At saka, alam mo na to, editado na to.
Ganun.
No more chicks. Manok yun, manok. Hindi chicks.
Any message? Councilor Apple, maybe? Councilor Apple, or last message?
Hello, happy birthday, Kuya Prudel. Ang alam ko kasi mas bata ka sa akin. Kasi siyempre, yung itsura niya kasi batang-batang tignan. Pero siyempre, alam mo naman, ang pagiging magkakaibigan natin ay hindi dahil sa politika, kundi dahil sa matibay at saka malalim na samahan ng bawat isa. So yun lamang ang aking masasabi, sana habang buhay tayo magkakaibigan.
Walang ganyan ang pagbilang ako, naiiyak na tayo.
Salamat sa pagiging matatag. Matatag. Dahil ayaw magpatalo ito eh. Nakita kong umiyak talaga ito. So, kilala ko si Kuya Prudel na parang hindi naman siya ganun kahit na tao, kundi talagang nagsasabi rin siya ng tunay na damdamin. So, salamat sa pagiging totoo at saka totoong kaibigan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manong.
For last message, Kapitan Bakay, do you have any advice to our ito Councilor Alado, huwag kang mandamay. Hindi, Councilor Pavel, happy birthday. Masaya kami na isang taon na naman ang nakalipas at magkakasama pa rin tayo. At sana mag-enjoy ka sa family mo at sa mga alaga mong chicks. Kaya na sabi ni Councilor Darga. Rest assured, nandito lang kami kasama mo. At hanggang sa project mo dun sa tapat ng Papantay ay nakasuporta kami. Pagkatapos yun, sabay-sabay natin i-ribbon natin yun. No? So from all the staff as well, sa ating pamilya dito, happy birthday sa'yo and we wish you all the best. Kagawad. Palakpakan natin si Kagawad ko yun.
Ibalikas mo na din.
We would like to thank Councilor So with that, Madam Secretary, what's our next agenda? Any announcements? So siguro with all those audible verbal conversations, can we just start those off the record para hindi na